Welcome to Bob's Workshop. I'm Bob. I'll be your host for tonight's video. In this episode, I'd like to show you something from the 1977 and 78 Lionel catalogs. It's a part of the Mickey Mouse Express. It's the diesel locomotive that was sold separately from the boxcars and the caboose. I have a few boxcars and one caboose, but I never had the diesel. So, a recent visit online to trains.com showed a few available, and I picked one, and now it's mine. And I'd like you to take a look at it. So, here it is.
I remembered looking at this catalog in 1977 and breezing right past these pages. I wasn't very imaginative back then, and these seemed very unrealistic to me. Years went by, kids came into the picture along with many trips to Disney World and hours of couch time watching Disney movies on VHS. So, some of my best memories over the last 30 years center around my family and Disney vacations, Disney animation, and Disney merchandise. So sometime in the 1990s, I started picking up the Lionel Box Cars that had Disney themes. I added the caboose too, but for some reason I never purchased the U36B diesel for the Mickey Mouse Express. I began looking online and discovered that trains.com had a few for sale. The prices were cheaper now, but still a little outside my comfort zone. A box would have been nice, but that also seems to jack up the price quite a bit, so maybe I'll skip the cardboard and save 60 or 70 bucks. I'd been tracking this example in my wish list at trains.com, and when they dropped the price from $133 to $118, I decided to buy it. Plus, I also had a discount code for an additional $10 off. Not too bad. For being the cheapest Lionel U36B Mickey Mouse Express on trains.com or eBay, I'm really happy with this little guy. The paint and graphics are almost like new. The base has just a few spots where rust is beginning to show on the stamped frame, but underneath, I don't think it's seen much, if any, track time at all. I checked this briefly just to see how it runs, and it cycled perfectly through forward, neutral, and reverse. Before any real track time, though, I'll take it apart and apply a little lubrication. Plus, I'm also just a little curious to see what it looks like on the inside. And it looked really good. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this new addition to my diesel fleet. It's a bit more than I normally like to pay for a single locomotive, but I'm getting more comfortable with the idea. The way it looks, pulling these Disney box cars is helping a lot. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.